All of these people from all over the world made money using this website for completely free, and I will show you a bonus in this video that will allow you to earn far more money. Keep watching to find out how. But before we do that, this is Finance Babe. I'll teach you tips and tricks on how to make money online. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'd also love to talk to you. Just leave a comment below. So the first site I'll be going over today, and the site that will make us money in passive income, is called FileUpload.com. This is far from the only platform I will be showing you. However, we will combine this site with a few others in order to make this work, so please keep watching and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, this most likely won't work for you. With that out of the way, let me explain what this site is. As the name suggests, and as you can see on the home page, this is a free cloud storage for your data, but this site is unique. It doesn't just store your data, but it allows you to make money whenever someone downloads any files you upload here. The more people download them, the more money you will make. To see exactly how much money you can make, all you gotta do is click on Make Money right here, and as you can see, you get paid $7 per 1,000 downloads. Now I know it isn't a lot, but the thing is that this site gets literally millions of visits per month, and I know that thanks to this site I've mentioned quite a few times already called SimilarWeb.com. This site will give you detailed information about the traffic that a certain site gets. It will show you stuff like where people are using it from, and as you can see, countries like India, Morocco, Indonesia, and many others are among them. This site is worldwide available, and I know that many of you watching this are not from Europe or North America, so this site will most likely work in your country. Something else SimilarWeb can show us is how many people visited a website in a certain period, and as far as FileUpload is concerned, the number is over 24 million people in the past month, and if that's not enough, we can see that the numbers have been rising for quite some time. In any case, the point is that although you only get paid $7 per 1,000 downloads, FileUpload gets millions of visits and you will be able to get quite a few downloads. However, I will show you in this video how to get traffic from another source, so you'll be able to maximize your profits, so stay tuned for that. Anyways, another great feature of this site is that you can check out the payment proofs by clicking right here. So, if you have some doubts about it, be sure to check them out. Now, in order to get started with making money with this site, you need an account, so go ahead and create one by clicking on Sign Up right here. Enter in your username, email, password, and payment information, and click on Submit to create your account. Before we move on, something of note here is that when you click right here to choose how you want to get paid, you'll notice that this site offers you a whole bunch of different payment options. For those of you who love PayPal, it's available. For those of you who either don't like PayPal or it's just not available, you've got other options to choose from. So not only is the site mostly available worldwide, it can get you paid in a variety of different ways, which is fantastic. But before I show you the next steps, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a comment below. With that said, now that you have your brand new account, you will need to start uploading files in order to get paid. So let me show you a site that is perfect for that purpose. The site in question is called FreePLRdownloads.com. This is a website some of you may have perhaps heard about by now, but for those of you who haven't, FreePLR is a site where you can download PLR products with PLR standing for product label rights. What this means is that on here you can find products that you are free to use however and wherever you want to, so you can modify them and upload them on FreeUpload easily. You can sell them as they are and claim that they are your own. You can do whatever you want with them, literally. Furthermore, you have a bunch of different types of products to choose from, and they can all be in these nations. As you can see below, affiliate marketing business, email marketing, internet marketing. There are literally too many of them for me to read out loud for you. Now, for the sake of this tutorial, I will be focusing on the Make Money Online niche. As such, I will pick internet marketing to use as an example. Something to keep in mind is that you don't need to pick the internet marketing niche per se. The health niche, for example, would be just fine as well. In any case, when you pick your niche, you'll be taken straight to this page, which will show you all products that you can pick, and you'll want to look for your books in particular. They are arguably the best type of product to use. For example, here are a couple of your books. I found one relating to affiliate marketing. the other relating to internet marketing, and you want to download one of these ebooks in your niche. When you do so, your next step is to come back over to FileUpload in order to upload your files. Just click on FileUpload, then on this icon right here, and find them in your PC. Since I've already uploaded my file, I won't do that. In any case, people will now start downloading your files here since, as I said, the site gets a lot of traffic. I will be showing you how to boost the download so you earn even more money, and we will be doing that through Instagram. Your goal now is to create a brand new Instagram account that is related to the type of ebook you downloaded. Since my ebook is on the internet and affiliate marketing needs, I'll set up my account accordingly. You want to upload a profile picture relating to your niche, set up your bio, and paste your website link. You'll do all of that by clicking on your profile picture, and then on Settings. The links to your FileUpload link you want to paste where it says Website. In your bio, you will want to type in stuff relating to your niche. I typed in business, as you can see, but more importantly, just below that, I typed in grab your free ebook below. So the last thing we need to do in order to get traffic is followers, and you will also need some posts on your Instagram account. Let me show you how to get both in order to get followers for free. What you can do is type in the search bar hashtag and then your niche. I typed in hashtag online business. As you can see, this will show you a bunch of posts from a bunch of different pages, and you will now want to find a decently big page and open it up. When you do, you will click on followers here, and you'll want to follow all of these people, and I can guarantee you that the majority of them will follow you back simply because we know that they're already interested in this niche. So when they see a profile like yours in the same niche, chances are they will follow you back, which is ultimately what you want. Doing it this way will take a bit of time, but after a couple of days, you can expect a few thousand followers. Now, as far as posts are concerned, you'll want to type in a hashtag and your needs, and you can either download the posts, as you can see on here, or go to certain pages and then download them from there. Either way, what you'll need to do when you find a post and think it's fitting for your page is copy the link of that post, go over to downloadgram.com, paste the link, and download the photo for free. You will then come over to your Instagram account and upload it, and when you do, make sure you credit the people in your description. And in this fashion, you'll be able to easily get posts on your Instagram account. With followers and posts, people will now start clicking on the link on your bio, and using Instagram, you will be able to boost your numbers of downloads to a lot, and you'll be making money and passive income with ease from there. And that's it for today's video. This is Finance Babe. Give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video.